Founded in 1989, Ameri-Kart is the industry leader in rotational molding and thermoforming. We've invested in Six Sigma and lean manufacturing capabilities to ensure not only the highest levels of manufacturing quality, but also the best customer experience. We feature a full-service supply chain with corporate logistic agreements, along with broad shipping, packaging, and assembly capabilities. Our team has experience sourcing globally, leveraging our volume-driven purchasing power. Throughout our history, we've expanded into a variety of markets, providing best-in-class rotational molding and thermoforming. Where others struggle, we succeed in delivering innovative plastic solutions using our vast resources and a product development process which focuses on partnering with our customers and delivering on our commitments to get your product to market. Through teamwork, continuous improvement, and quality assurance, we work hard to be the partner of choice for innovative plastic solutions that delivers on commitments.